Welcome. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to enable the system window frame on the Telegram app for PC with the latest update. This setting is a small tweak, but it can make your experience much cleaner if you prefer the traditional window style on your computer. Let's go step by step together. First, go ahead and open the Telegram app on your computer. Once it's running, take a look at the top left corner of the screen. You'll see 3 horizontal lines, often referred to as the menu button. Click on that to open up the main menu. From here, scroll down the list and select Settings. This will take you to the section where you can adjust different parts of the app to your liking. Telegram has a lot of options here, but the one we need is inside the Advanced menu. So go ahead and click on Advanced to continue. Now you're inside the Advanced Settings, and this is where the customization options get more detailed. Scroll down until you find the section labeled Window Title Bar. Under this section, you'll notice an option that says Use System Window Frame. By default, this setting is usually turned off, but you can enable it by simply checking the box next to it. As soon as you do this, Telegram will refresh the way its window looks. Instead of Telegram's custom design, you'll now see a more standard system-style frame around the app window. This means you'll get the familiar minimize, maximize, and close buttons exactly as they appear in other desktop applications on your system. It also makes it easier to drag the window or resize it, especially if you prefer consistency with the rest of your PC. And that's it. A few clicks inside the settings and you're able to change the look of your Telegram app to better match your desktop environment. It's a simple feature, but sometimes the smallest changes make the biggest difference in how comfortable an app feels during daily use. If this helped you, try exploring the other advanced settings as well. You might find more ways to personalize Telegram and make it work exactly the way you like.